So I want you all to listen very carefully. Okay. Yes. So let's begin the session. Join your arms. Close your eyes. Some disturbance there, right? Okay. I think so. Now it's okay. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Yes, open your eyes, my dears. Happy morning to you all. Welcome you all to Math Online class. Here myself, Yuvrani, and Tennamay ma'am are there to teach you math, okay? As I said earlier, we are going to see a new chapter. That is lesson number 9, subtraction up to 99. But we know the concept, right? Already we have learned so many times. The concept, if you know the concept, whatever the number may be, we can rock it. Yes, na? Yes. Okay, so what do you mean by subtraction? Can I get the answers in the chat box? Why? Because we have learned so many times, right? So can I get answers in the chat box? Yes, super, very good. Subtraction means difference. Take away, minus, wonderful, Kana, superb. Take away, yes, leftover, one, superb, superb. Yes, so subtraction means take away, leftover, remaining, minus, difference. Wow, wonderful. So you are very thorough with the terms of the subtraction, right? So wherever they ask you, twist the question and ask you also, you will be familiar to do the sum, right? Yes, okay. Is it so disturbing at the back side? Or else my voice is audible? Is my voice audible or back the prayer is disturbing you people? Can I get the yes, the prayer is disturbing at the back side? Yes. Okay. Audible. It's audible. My voice is audible, right? It's clear, right? Okay. Okay, so let me continue, okay? Don't concentrate over the background voices. Listen carefully only to my voice, what I am saying, okay? Let's move on to the concept. Then I have, when this prayer gets over, no, I'll be showing you a video to do on the abacus board, okay? So let's first listen carefully to my voice alone, okay? Yes. So you all know the terms of subtraction, right? Okay, so when we take away or give away some objects from a group of objects, we say we are subtracting. So you know this. When we have more number of objects or things, only then we can give away or we can take away from that objects or things, right? Okay. So now let's move on to the property. Okay, when we subtract the same number from itself, the answer is 0. The answer is 0. For example, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Can you give me few examples for the first property? Yes? Yes, give me one example. 4 minus 4. Very good, Kanitra. Yes? Yes, give me example for the first property. When we subtract the same number from itself, the answer is 0. 3 minus 2, 2 minus 2, same number. Super, very good. Minakshi, Amanishwar, Satvika, Mahavidya, Krishiv. 14 minus 14, superb. 2-digit numbers. Wonderful. Okay, yes. 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. Yes, anything else? Yes, come on, give examples. 17 minus 17. Very good. Yes. Till 99 you can say 20 minus 20. Super. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Superb. 98 minus 98 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Super, super. So you have understood the concept, right? Okay. Now let's move on to the next property. Okay. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before it. So when we subtract 1 from a number means only it's a number from where we are going to take away. Okay, it's a number from where we are going to take away. That is the from a number. Okay, we get the number just before it. For example, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Okay, 3 minus 1 is equal to sorry, 3 minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Yes. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Yes. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, the before number. Yes. Any other examples? 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Yes. Any other examples? Subtract minus 1 to get the before number. Whatever number it may be. Yes. 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 6 minus 5 is equal to 4. 99 minus 1 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 1. 6 minus 1 is equal to 4 but 5 but 2. Yes. 99 minus 1 is equal to 98. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. 22 minus 1 is equal to 21. 88 minus 1 is equal to 87. Yes. 30 minus 1 is equal to 29. Very good. Superb. 88 minus 1 is equal to 87. Wonderful. Superb, ma. Superb. So, when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before it. Okay, when we subtract 1 from any number, we will be getting the before number. Okay, now let's move on to the next property. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the number itself. So on the top, the number should be there, and below, after minus, 0 should be there. If so, like that, we will be getting the same number as the answer. This property applies for addition also. Okay. Yes. So here, oh my God, I'm getting answers in the chat box for the third property also. Yes. 40 minus 0 is equal to 40. 30 minus 0 is equal to 30. 25 minus 0 equal to 25. 54 minus 0 equal to 54. Very good, super. 15 minus 0 equal to 15. 34 minus 0 equal to 34. Very good, very good. Very good. Apart from these children, those who are typing in the chat box, I am hoping that you people are writing in your rough note. Yes, now? Yes. So super. 58 minus 0 is equal to 58. 96 minus 0 equal to 96. Very good. Super. So when we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number itself. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to the next property. The difference of a number and the number just before it is 1. The difference of a number and the number just before it is 1. So it is 5. For example, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Yes, can you give me examples? Those who are not typing in the chat box, I want you all to write it in your rough note. Yes, Kanitra, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Very good. Yes, 12 minus 11 is equal to 1. Very good. Super, Meenakshi. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Very good, Ojeshwi Amnishwar. Yes. Superb. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Yes. So 38 minus 37 is equal to 1. Yes. 48 minus 47 is equal to 1. 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. 12 minus 11 is equal to 1. So when the difference of a number and the number just before it is 1. So you understood the concept, right? Okay, now let's turn on our video. Okay, and see few. Okay, now let's turn on the video and see. I have units and longs over here. Okay, some disturbance is there. Oh my God. Okay, I have units and longs to teach you about the subtraction and also the abacus board. Okay, yes. So let's see how to do with the help of units, cube, longs, and abacus board. Okay, let me stop sharing this. Okay, I want you all to pin Tenamai ma'am for the video. Okay, I want you all to pin Tenamai ma'am for the video. Okay, yes. Is ma'am's video visible? Is it visible, ma'am? It is visible, right? Okay, shall we start? Yes, see, as you all know, these are the cubes, unit cubes, and these are the Longs. Okay, these are the longs. Yes, now say me in one long, how many cubes will be there? Pin to Tennamai ma'am. See here, you should not talk in Tamil Patu. Yes, if the video is not visible, kindly re-log in. Okay, or else pin Tennamai ma'am video. The video is visible. Okay, please pin Tennamai ma'am. Okay, so I think so. None. Is the video visible? Yes, ma'am. Yes, the video is visible. Okay, yes. So in one long we have 10 cubes. Very good, Nandana, Ojashvi, Krishiv. Yes, it's in one long we have 10 cubes. Okay, so this one unit cubes is equal to 1 ones. Video is not visible. See whether my video is visible. Take your hand. Take your hand. Visible. Yuvarani R, is my video visible? Can you see my video? From mobile device. Yuvarani R from mobile device. Video not coming.
Not visible.
It is visible?
Visible, ma'am.
Visible. Shall I come out of this meeting or else?
Visible, ma'am. No visible, ma'am.
And you yes. Okay, one 10.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, voice is breaking. Voice is breaking.
One 10. 2 10. 3 10. 4 10s. 5 10s. 8 10s. One long is equal to only 9 blocks are there. Yes. So it is not completed with one full long. One full long. So 9 longs 90 plus 9 separate blocks, that makes 99. Yes, let's take one long out now. So what is the number we will be getting? Can you count the longs and the blocks separately? Take away. We have taken away. We are doing subtraction, right? So we have taken away one long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, very good. So 8 longs we have, and how many blocks? Separate blocks? Yes, only 9 blocks are there in green. So 80 plus 9, 89. Yes. Can we do one more? Yes. Okay, now let's take from the green blocks. One long also we have taken away.
Ma'am, 89.
89. I have started with the next one dear. Yes, that was 89. So now I have taken away one long and two green, two blocks. So totally, so how much will be the balance? Yes, very good, superb. Getting answers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 longs I have. And how many balance? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green. 7 separate blocks. 7 longs and 7 longs 70 plus 77. So it is correct, sir. Likewise, let's do textbook exercise. No, let's do with the abacus board. Let's do with the abacus board. Can you find the abacus board here? Yes, children. We have ones, tens, hundreds, and now we are learning only numbers up to 99. So we will be having only ones and tens. We will be having only ones and tens. So when the ones place is completed with 9, the next number 10 will move on to the tens place. Yes, can you see the green block? Green rods here? Green rings in the board? Only 9. Yes, so 9 beads are there. Can you see 9 beads? And when it moves on to the next number, that is the 10, it is a 2-digit number. So it will move on to the tens place. 1, 10, 0, ones. Yes, when we are writing number 10, we will be representing in ones and tens place, right? So ones place we will have 0 and tens place we will have 1. So that is 110. Yes. Say for example, if it is 12, how many tens and how many ones you will keep? How many number of beads in tens place and how many number of beads in ones place? So we will be writing 12 and we will be writing ones and tens place, right? So in ones place we will have 2 beads and in tens place we will have 1 bead. So that makes 110 and 2 ones, that is 12. Yes, children? Now we are going to do subtraction in it. This is the basic abacus that we have already learned. Yes. Now we are going to do subtraction with the abacus board. Are you all ready? White I said. Yes. Now let's do 57. 57. For 57, how many tens and how many ones? Can I have answers in the chat box? 57. For number 57, how many ones and how many tens? 7 ones. Yes, very good, Mahavidya. 5 tens and 7 ones. So we will be placing the number of beads in the correct place. Yes, 5, 10 and 7 ones. We have placed 5 tens and 7 ones. Now we are going to do subtraction. We have to take away. Yes. So the next number, the second number is 37. 37. So can I have answers in the chat? How 7 ones? Ones you have to take away. We are doing subtraction, so we have to take away 7 ones. Taking away. Yes, you have to take away 7. Yes, we have taken away 7 and we have to take away 3 tens in the tens place. So 1, 2, 3. So what is the balance? What is the remaining? What is the remaining? 2 tens and 0 ones. Is there any beads in the ones place? We don't have any zero in we don't have any number of beads in the ones place. So the answer is 20. The answer is 20. Two tens and zero ones. Yes, children. Can we do one more problem with the abacus board? The subtraction? Yes. Yes, let's do the textbook exercise. Yes. Now ma'am is going to stop my video. Yes, children. Hope my PPT is visible now. Okay, now we have learnt using the abacus board, unit longs and unit cubes, right? Yes. So now we are going to move on to the textbook exercise. I want you all to take out your textbook and follow along with me. Okay. Yes. So math textbook page number 111. Math textbook page number 111. Let's solve. There were 15 birds on a tree. 4 birds flew away. How many birds were left on the tree? So in total we were having 15 birds. What happened to this 15 birds? Nothing. 4 birds, I think so it is very hungry, so it flew away. Okay, in search of food, it flew away. So now we are going to find how many birds are left out on the tree. Okay, yes, shall we count and see how many birds are left on the tree? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are left out with 11 birds on the tree. So we will be writing number 11 in the blank. Write the number of birds that were left on the tree. So 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. Okay, you can also solve this problem using the number line, backward counting and vertical subtraction. Okay, yes, now let's move on to pictorial representation. Okay, subtraction up to 99. Subtraction through pictorial representation. What do you mean by pictorial representation? If they have given the things as a picture for helping us to do the subtraction, then we say it as pictorial representation. Okay, yes, so Anjali had 26 balls. She gave 12. I said math textbook page number 111. See in the block they have given at the top of the page, slide itself, it is there. Kindly see to that. Math textbook page number 111. Okay, yes. Sai Krishnan, kindly be in mute, Kanna. Sai Krishnan, kindly be in mute. Okay, Anjali had 26 balls. She gave 12 balls to Rahul. How many balls does Anjali have now? So, Anjali is having 26 balls and she gave 12 balls to Rahul. Let's find out how many balls are remaining with Anjali. Okay, 26 balls minus 12 balls. So, in one bag we have 10 balls. How we are saying that in one bag we are having 10 balls? Do you remember the bundle of sticks? In one bundle we will be having 10 sticks, right? Likewise, in one bag we will be having 10 balls. Shall we count and see whether we have 10 balls in this bag? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So one bag has 10 balls. So one more bag with it makes 20 balls, right? So 20 balls we have. Along with that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 loose balls. So 20 balls in each bag, 10 balls in each bag and 6 loose balls gives you 26. Okay, from this 26 balls, we are going to take away 12 balls. Okay, yes, we all know that only when we have more we can take away or give away something from that, right? Yes, so we are going to take away 12 balls from this 26. 12 balls from this 26 balls. Okay, yes. So here in this 12 we have 110, 110 and two ones. 110s and two ones. So 110 means it is that is equal to one bag, right? One bag of 10 balls, right? So 110 and two balls, two extras, two ones. So let's strike out 110, one bag which is equal to 110 and two balls, two extras, two ones. Okay, now we are going to find out how many balls are left out in 26. So we are left out with one bag full of balls and four extras. So can you say me the answer? One bag which consists 10 balls and four extras. So that is equal to 14. Very good, Mahavidya. Yes, it's 14. So we are having 14 balls left over with Anjali. Okay, yes. Now I will give you one more sum. You try by yourself. Okay, yes. Imagine that Anjali is having 34 balls. She's going to give 11 balls to her friend. Okay, now find the value for this. So imagine that we are also having a bag. Anjali is having a bag. One bag that is full of 10 balls each. One bag, two bag, three bags. Okay, three bags that has 10 balls in it. Okay, three bags that has 10 balls in it. Okay, yes. And how many loose balls we have? We have four loose balls. One, two, three, four. Four extras. Okay, so for four extras, four ones and three tens, we have drawn. So from this four ones and three tens, we are going to take away. Very good, Patu. Yes, we are going to take away 1 1 and 110. Okay, so let's strike out 1 1 from the loose balls. Yes, let me take one more color. Yes, I'm going to strike out 1 1 from the extra ball and 110. That is equal to one bag. Yes, now say me what is the remaining bags and remaining extras? It is two bags that is equal to 20 and three balls that is equal to three ones. So 20 plus 3 that is equal to 23. Very good, Kana. Yes, that is equal to 23. Superb. Okay, yes, so hope you understood the concept. Shall we move on to the next one now? Yes. What happened? Is my PPT visible? Okay, yes. So a math textbook. Yes, turn to page number 112. Okay, in the math textbook, page number 112, carried over by Tename ma'am.
Yes, the same problem we have done with the abacus board. Yes, children, 57 minus 37. Always remember the first step in subtraction, the bigger number, the higher value of number will be in the first. Yes, you will be writing the bigger number first and then you will take away the second number. Okay, always remember which is the higher value, bigger value. Yes, now we are going to yes, we are going to do textbook page number 112. Yes. Yes. 78 minus 52. Yes, in these two numbers, which is a higher number, higher value 78. So we will be placing 7 tens and 8 ones in the abacus. Yes, you can draw the abacus board in your note and then you can solve it. Okay, tens and ones rod alone you write because we are going to learn only numbers up to 99, so we have only ones and tens rod. So the number is 78. The higher value of number is 78. So in 78, how many ones and how many tens? 7 tens and 8 ones. So 8 beads we are going to draw it on the abacus board. 8 beads and 7 tens. 7 tens. So let's draw 7 beads on the tens please. Now we are going to take away the smaller number. Yes, 52. 52. In 52, how many tens and how many ones? How many tens and how many ones? 5 tens and 2 ones. 5 tens and 2 ones. So we are going to take away 2 ones first. We should always do with the ones place. So let's take 2 ones from the ones rod and 5 tens from the tens rod. Take away 5 tens. You can use 2 different colors for tens and ones to know the difference. Okay, children, and after for taking away, you can cancel it. So what is the balance? What is the remaining? What is left out? These are the various terms that we can use it for subtraction, right? So what is the remaining? How many ones? 6 ones and 2 tens. So the answer is 26. Yes. Math textbook page number 113. We have done the same problem with the abacus board. So you can represent the abacus board in your note by drawing and 2 different colors for ones and tens. Okay, the first number, the higher value of number 57, so you will represent the higher value, higher number. So 57, 5 tens and 7 ones. So you will be drawing 7 beads and 5 beads in tens place. 7 beads in ones place and 5 beads in tens place. Now what is the second number? What is the smaller value? 37. In 37, how many tens and how many ones? 3 tens and 7 ones. So you are going to take away 7 ones from the from the ones rod and 3 tens from the tens rod. 3 beads from the tens rod. Yes. What is the balance? Remaining beads? Only 2 tens. Yes. 2 beads we have in tens place. So 2 tens, that makes 20. Yes. We don't have any beads in ones place, so it is 0 ones, and we have 2 beads in the tens place. So the answer is 20. 2 tens, that makes 20. Yes. The second B sum, you can do it by yourself. Yes, they have represented the abacus board and they have taken away the number of beads also. So the remaining number of beads, you will be writing it and you will write the answer down. Yes. Can we do one more sum? Yes, let's do the B sum itself. Let's do the B sum itself. Let's do the B sum itself. The higher value is 65, so you will represent the 65 in the abacus board. You will draw the number of beads in the abacus board, ones and tens. So 6 tens and 5 ones, 6 tens and 5 ones. So you will be drawing the number of beads in ones place and you will be drawing the number of beads in the tens place. We have 6 tens and 5 ones. So 5 beads you're going to draw in ones place and 6 beads you're going to draw in tens place. So let's draw it in 2 different colors. Likewise, you can also draw. Yes, after this sum, let's do one sum which you can do it in your rough note. Okay, now let's complete this textbook exercise. Yes, 5 beads we have drawn in the ones place and in tens place we have to draw 6 beads. In tens place, we have to draw 6 beads. Yes. What is the second number? 63. Yes, 63. So, how many ones and how many tens? 3 ones and 6 tens. So, you are going to take away 3 ones. So, in ones rod, you will take away, you will strike out three beads. You will strike away 3 beads in the ones rod. And in tens rod, we have to strike out 6 beads. So let's strike out 6 beads, take away 6 beads. Since we are drawing in our notebook, we cannot take away, right? So let's strike out. Yes. Now what is the balance? We have only ones place. We have only 2 ones in ones place. And tens place we have 0. So we have only 2 ones. 2 ones. So the answer is 2. So the answer is 2. 65 minus 63 is 2. Yes. Can we do one more problem? Yes. Can you all? Can we do one more problem? Yes. Will you all do it in your rough note? You will draw the ones and tens. Yes. You have to show your notebook, children. So all of you take your note, rough note. You have to draw the abacus board, and after the sum you have completed, you have to show me. You have to turn on your video and show me. So I want all my children to take their notes. Yes, take it fast. Yes. Can you see 46 minus 23? 46 minus 23. So which is the higher value? Which is a higher value? 46. So you will be drawing the abacus board in your note. Ones and tens place 46. So draw the number of beads. 4 tens and 6 ones. 4 tens and 6 ones. You will be drawing the number of beads.
Finished.
Yes. Let your friends also complete it, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now you can mute yourself. Yes. So the number is 46. So you represent the number of beads in the correct place values. 4 tens and 6 ones. And the next number, the smaller number, 23. You will take away 23, 2 tens and 3 ones. First, you will be drawing the number of beads for 4 tens and 6 ones. And from that, you will take away 2 tens and 3 ones. You will strike out. Take away. Yes, then you will be writing the balance remaining. So what is the answer? Can I have answers in the chat box? What is the answer you got after striking out, after taking away? Yes, is it? Yes, very good, superb. Yes, now you can turn on your video and show your notebooks. Let me see how many of my children have written in their note. Turn on your video, children.